On the 24th of October 2024, the Khasi Students Union, North Eastern Hill University Unit, submitted a memorandum to Mawlai MLA Brighstarwell Marbaniang urging for immediate repairs to the deteriorating road from Kynton Massar Bridge to NEHU Gate 5. In the memorandum, NEHU Circle President Sandy Sotun and General Secretary Eddie Malngyang emphasized the hazardous condition of the road, which endangers residents, university students and vehicles travelling through Mawlai Kynton Massar. The union called upon the public representative to take swift action to address the issue.